Hi, and thanks again for watching another video, EWI video. My name is Greg Aganowski. I'm the founder and CEO of Eco Wash Industries. I don't want this to feel like a broken record. If you're a subscriber and you're coming to watch our videos again, thank you very much, by the way. I really do appreciate you subscribing. But this is the opportunity, right? This is the potential, and I'm sharing this over and over again with any new customer or potential client who's thinking about doing this business. This is the opportunity, and we're a company of 4 years doing this service, not just building trucks, but doing the service, going out and landing on these deals, these contracts, and helping these companies save money, but at the same time earn big business. We're one of the only manufacturers out there who've gone out as a service, procured our own municipalities, work with solid waste companies, then turn around and educate the potential client to learn and go out and potentially do what we've done in our own market in hopes that you would come back to us in the near future here to buy more trucks. I think it's a win-win. The goal here is to create more leadership. Now, with that being said, working with EWI, you're gonna get the best value to help you start your business, guaranteed. Visit ecowashindustries.com, take a look at the Kickstarter package, or feel free to just pick up the phone, give us a call anytime. Our number is 480-789-0931. We'll take the call and share with you what has worked for us and what hasn't. Look forward to hearing from you. I hope everyone's being safe out there with the COVID. Once again, I really do appreciate your time. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make it a great day.